have? What is that? Tell me what they are. Can I have it? No. What is it? What is that thing? What are you going to do? Give it to Daddy? What are you going to play a game with it? Football. What is that, Kai? It's a what? A football? What is that? Tell me what it is. What's that? Can I have it? Football. Where are you taking that? What's that called? What is that? Football. It's a sweet potato. You got two. Two what? Where are you going to put them in your car? Put them in.